The National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a flash flood warning for Denton County in north central Texas, Tarrant County in north central Texas, until 10:30 p.m. At 7:27 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Flash flooding is expected to begin shortly. Some locations that will experience flooding include Fort Worth, Arlington, Plano, Grand Prairie, Carrollton, Frisco, Denton, Louisville, Flower Mound, Mansfield, Gillis, Bedford, the Colony, Salt Lake. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. Turn around and don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles.
The current time is